Building Information Modeling, BIM, technology has experienced a substantial increase in usage in the Middle East in recent years. A number of businesses in the area have adopted this technology to boost collaboration, increase productivity, and decrease errors in construction projects. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one such business that has established itself in the Middle East. Despite having its headquarters in India, Scon Design has made a name for itself as a premier BIM services supplier in the Middle East by providing architects, engineers, contractors, and owners with end-to-end solutions. Their proficiency in BIM modeling, conflict detection, and coordination has helped them land a number of prestigious projects in the area. In addition to Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, numerous additional BIM businesses have sprouted up around the Middle East. AECOM Middle East, Trimble Solutions Middle East, and BIMetallics LLC are a few of the major ones. A variety of BIM services, including 3D modeling, MEP coordination, quantity takeoff and estimating, and construction sequencing, are provided by these businesses. These businesses are well positioned for continued growth and success, given the region's growing demand for BIM. A well-known BIM business, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, provides clients in the Middle East, particularly in the UAE, with cutting-edge solutions. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers comprehensive services that are tailored to the specific requirements of each customer, thanks to a team of specialists who have in-depth knowledge and experience in BIM. The business is renowned for its creative thinking and capacity to complete projects on schedule and on budget. As a result, a number of BIM businesses have developed to meet this expanding demand. Among these businesses, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out thanks to its dedication to excellence, quality, and client happiness. Among the many BIM services provided by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd are 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and construction documentation. These services assist clients in lowering project costs, fostering better stakeholder collaboration, and increasing project effectiveness. The business's BIM expertise has enabled it forge enduring customer connections and establish a significant presence in the Middle East market. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the top BIM businesses in the Middle East, especially in the UAE. To sum up, its dedication to provide top-notch services and creative solutions has helped company build a solid name in the marketplace. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is well positioned to fulfill the changing needs of its clients as the demand for BIM services in the area increases. In recent years, BIM, Building Information Modeling, has grown significantly in popularity in the Middle East. In the area, a number of BIM firms have popped up, providing a variety of services relating to 3D modeling, construction planning, and project management. One such business that has established a name for itself in the Middle Eastern BIM market is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. Particularly in the Middle East, where the building sector is flourishing, a career in BIM can be quite rewarding.